Alright, so next up, delivery problem for Black Mous. In a suite, take 7 tracking devices from the Building 21 dead drop, then plant a tracking device under each of the 7 cargo trucks in the parking garage, and finally extract in the same deployment. With this, you'll need to do it on Friday through Monday, as that's the only time the Building 21 map is available. So I'll make sure to grab my most kitted soldiers and we'll be heading in. Obviously, this is a high PvP area, so you'll want to take some kind of flare just so you can more easily see enemies, but that doesn't really matter. All we need to do is make sure that we survive. So Building 21, and I'll make sure squad fill is on. Then I suppose we'll just go for it. Alright, there we go. Now that we're in, unfortunately squad fill isn't a thing, but what we need to do is find our way to the bottom of the parking garage. Seems I spawned in a good spot for it, because now we need to head for the stairs. So in the parking garage here, we'll need to head out to the main section, then towards where the stairs are. We'll head to the staircase, and inside of here, we should find the dead drop where the tracking devices are located inside. Now, inside of the main parking garage area, we're looking for these yellow trucks. When you run up to them, you should get a tracking device prompt where we can place 1, 2, there we go. Now we just need to find 5 more of these and then head for extract. So there's another 2 here. That's great. 1. There's another one at the far back. 3. There's a ton of these around. Another one here and another one here. Anyways, that should be 7 maybe? Yes, 7. Now all we need to do is head for exfil as soon as it's opened up to us. They seem to all be on the west side of the garage, or at least those are the ones that I found. Alright, so that was an unsuccessful exfil. Let's try again. Alright, so spawning in the garage one more time, we'll need to pick up the items and get them planted. Now that we've placed all 7 of these on the trucks, all we need to do is extract. And there we go. After successfully exfilling, the mission should now be done. Awesome. There we go. So thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot. That has been Delivery Problem for Black Mous. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.